I want June 14th. Alright, let's do it. And actually, I was trying for this one yesterday and didn't work, right? And I gave another thought with a little bit help from the hint. So the hint saying using binary search, and I was trying to figure out how to do it. I think I got it. So if it's gonna be something fast, I'll try it. But I think I got it. All right, max difference you can get from changing an integer. Give integer num. You will apply the following steps to nums 2 separate times. Pick a digit. Pick another digit. Now y can be equal to x. Replace all the occurrence of x in the decimal representation of num by y. Let a and b be the two results from applying the operation to num independently. Return a maximum difference between a and b. Note that neither a nor b may have any leading zeros. M must not be 0. So basically we do 2 rounds, and each round we will do a replace. And after the replace, we want to know the difference. It's very similar to what we have yesterday. What's the difference between this and the one yesterday? I don't know what the difference is. Pick a digit, pick another digit, replace all occurrence of x by y. So just replace all the occurrence of a digit by the other one. And let a and b be 2 results, because you do it 2 times, and you want to find the max difference. So the only requirement is neither of them can have leading 0, so we just don't use 0. We replace it with a 1. What's the difference? Like, seriously, what's the difference? I don't know. I honestly have no idea. So let's just use the same strategy as yesterday and then see how it works. Do you remember how it was done? Let's see. I remember this. Okay. Actually, I think one is A, one is B, right? So we do A, B, so it's a copy. And then show equal to find the first not of. Oh, maybe it's inside string. A dot find, yeah, first not of 9, right? And we say replace first, last, old value, new value. So the a dot first, a dot begin, a dot end. Original value is a index, new value is 9. Okay, and index is b dot find first not of 1. Oh, what about 0? Ah, that is the trick part. the first is 1, I need to keep looking. But if the second is 0, I shall let it go. So basically, I cannot use this. I have to really look for it. Right? I have to really look for it. So going from the first, if it's not, I'll swap that with 1. If it is, then I keep looking. Basically, if it's 1 or 0, I just keep going until the first one that's not 1 and not 0. That's the one that we want to do. Because if it's a 0, we need to skip. If it's a 1, there's no need to skip. Okay, that's fine. So don't do this. And then find the first index that is first digit. Right? First digit that is neither 1 nor 0. If index is not equal to, I think std, no, a dot no ops. I remember that's the thing. Then we'll do this. And now we'll find it's neither 1 nor 0. So say index equal to 0. Right? And while index is smaller than b dot size and b index not is equal to 0 or b index equal to 1. Okay, if these are true, then index plus plus, and then we say if index is smaller than b dot size, then std will replace b dot begin, b dot end, and then b index, and replace it with 1. Actually, no, you can replace it with 0. Holy crap! As long as it's not the first one. Ooh. So actually, if the first digit is 1, then we just find the first that's not 0 and we turn that into 0. Right? If the first is not 1, then we need to turn that into 1, because if we don't turn that into 1 and then wait for that, yeah, that's the thing. Oh shoot. If the first digit is 1, actually we're gonna do this. If b0 is equal to 1, right? So we need to find, since we cannot turn the first digit to 0, we need to find the among the remaining digits, what is the first non-zero? Right? What is the first non-zero digit? Then we'll say we'll set index. Actually, it's different. Index is going to be 1, right? Index equal to 1 while index smaller than b dot size and b index is not equal to 0. That's index plus plus. Alright, until the first one is not 0, and then that's the one we are going to replace. I'm gonna do this b dot begin, everybody will be replaced with 0. Okay. Else, first digit is not 1, then we have no choice, right? But to replace all its occurrence with 1, because you're gonna do it once, right? You can only do it once. So straightforward, replace b dot begin, b dot end, b 0 with 1. And then we return. Ooh, hold a second. I think S2I A is bigger minus S2I B. One, 4, 3, 2. The largest is easy to find, right? Just replace the first non 9 digit to 9, and we are done. The smallest is a bit more tricky to find since we do not allow leading zeros. We decide like if the first digit, right? If the first digit is 1, we are free, right, to use 0 to replace the next non-zero digit. Otherwise, we have to replace the first digit with 1. Okay, let's see if it works. And the reasoning seems like sound, and we can ooh, that ain't right. Oh, wait, what? $800. How is it possible to get 800 out of this? I don't know. What the hell? What in the name? 955 and a 155. Okay, let's maybe I used replace wrong. Replace all occurrences. replace all. No, you have to write replace all. Wait a second. That's not what yesterday is. Yesterday is just say replace, right? Okay, it's a string. No, first of all, this is not right. Yeah, I just say replace. And now you're telling me that this replace only replace one? So they say it's string, std, string. That still works, but replace only replace. Position the len. Wait a second. Position and the len. No, it is a begin and end. String dot replace. Wait, hold on. That's not. Oh. I do std replace. This is string dot replace. I don't know. How is this one work but this one doesn't work? I'm following the same recipe. There's no such thing? Ugh. This is what we have to do? That was lying, right? Unless yesterday's problem was replace only one, and I didn't read it carefully. No, it is all occurrences. Then how would this one work then? Apparently it does. What? What in the world? Not 555, right? Max difference. You are kidding me. I'm using the same. I am using the same function. How is this? If that's the reason, then you are definitely messing with me. No, it's the same. Wait, what? What? How? And I use int. My bad. Let's read this. Is there some mystery that I need to resolve? I replaced everything with 9. Right? I replaced everything with 9. What the hell? Alright, let's just return 1. Okay, let's do this. Std replace, right? A.begin a dot and 5 replace with 9. We're hitting this weird problem. I don't understand. Okay, I replaced everything. Are you kidding me? Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, C++ is weird. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, let's maybe we do size t. What? What in the world? Oh, this is weird as hell. What the hell? Using iterator. Yo, man. This is... Doesn't this pointing to the character itself? You're absolutely kidding me on this one. Huh. Alright, we'll keep it in back burner and then we'll deal with it later. Yo, this is weird. This is absolutely weird. How, like, if we don't do that, we don't set this to char. Like, what does it give me then? An iterator? Alright, let's solve this one first. So we have the problem of 111 and I turned it into holy. Okay, so what is the first non-zero digit? And then the first non-zero digit is 1. That is also not 1. Yeah, because if it's 1, I replace the first with 0. Yeah, since we cannot turn the first digit to 0. First non-0 and non-1 digit. Which means the original scheme was actually correct. It has to be not this. We might as well say it's larger than 1. Right, I think this will work. And of course we don't need a print. Ooh! Oh wait, hold on. Smaller equal to. My bad. My bad. It was that was error. Okay, I didn't try it. Yeah. It's just a little bit tricky. A little bit non-zero. Ah, shoot. Non-zero and non-1. Ah, screw me. Alright, now we're gonna have to investigate. Alright, let's get a tutorial. Huh? What the hell is this? Enumeration. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, just skip it, and then you'll be fine. I think yesterday's problem definitely good practice for this one. It's definitely not as simple as the yesterday's solution. Okay, so this is not what we really worried about. The thing we really worry about is the C++ side. Okay, let's go C++ online editor. All right, so that will be it. I will have to deal with the